Exploring the AI Crypto Alliance, uniting Fetch, Ocean, and AGIX. Let's talk about Fetch, Ocean, and AGIX. By bringing together industry giants like Fetch, Ocean, and AGIX, this AI Crypto Alliance signifies a monumental step towards revolutionizing the AI crypto space.
Fetch.AI, viva la AI crypto revolution.
Fetch.AI plays a pivotal role within the AI Crypto Alliance by seamlessly integrating AI into blockchain technology. At the core of Fetch.AI are AI-powered agents that operate autonomously to perform tasks on behalf of users, organizations, and devices. These agents can make decisions, solve problems, and interact with each other to create dynamic marketplaces.
Wow!
Agentverse is a software-as-a-service (SaaS) platform within Fetch.AI designed for developing and managing AI agents. It provides tools and resources for deploying AI solutions across various industries. The AI engine connects human inputs to AI agents, translating commands and queries into actionable tasks. Fetch Network is the backbone of Fetch.AI, as this network supports the operation of AI agents and includes components like the Fetch Ledger, Fetch Name Service, and FET tokens.
Fetch boy!
Ocean Protocol, empowering data sharing. Ocean Protocol plays a crucial role in the AI Crypto Alliance by enabling secure and transparent data exchange within the crypto space. Ocean Protocol is a blockchain-based system designed to make data sharing and monetization easier and more secure. Here's a breakdown of what it does. Ocean Protocol provides a decentralized data marketplace. Imagine a giant online marketplace, but instead of products, it allows buying and selling access to data while preserving privacy. Data owners can control who sees their data and get paid for it. In addition, Ocean Protocol provides data tokens, DATs. These special tokens act like keys to access specific datasets. Data owners create DATs to represent their data, and users can buy these tokens to gain access. Also, Ocean Protocol provides privacy-preserving computations. This is a cool feature that lets people analyze data without it ever leaving the owner's control. The computations are done on the owner's computer, and only the results are shared.
Nice.
Let's now get the disclaimer out of the way. This video is for informational purposes only and not intended to give financial advice.
AGIX, Advancing AI Governance. AGIX plays a pivotal role in promoting AI governance within the AI Crypto Alliance, emphasizing ethical and responsible practices. AGIX is the native token of the SingularityNET platform, which focuses on merging artificial intelligence (AI) with blockchain technology. Here's a breakdown of AGIX's role in the SingularityNET ecosystem. AGIX functions as the currency for transactions within the SingularityNET marketplace. This means you use AGIX to pay for access to various AI services offered on the platform. Being a holder of AGIX grants you voting rights on the SingularityNET platform. This allows the community to participate in shaping the platform's future development and features. Unlike some tokens that are restricted to one blockchain, AGIX has the potential to work across multiple blockchains, including Ethereum and Cardano. AGIX holders can stake their tokens to contribute to the security and liquidity of the SingularityNET network. In return for staking, you can earn rewards. Holding AGIX can provide benefits such as you might be eligible for airdrops from future AI projects launched on the platform.
Fun fact: sci-fi is an inspiration. SingularityNET's name references a technological singularity, a hypothetical moment in time when artificial intelligence surpasses human intelligence.
Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out?
The collaboration between Fetch, Ocean, and AGIX within the AI Crypto Alliance has unleashed powerful synergies that drive innovation and progress in decentralized technologies. This union brings together Fetch.AI's expertise in decentralized AI with Ocean Protocol's data marketplace and SingularityNET's established AI services. This creates a powerful combination for fostering the development of artificial general intelligence, AGI.
Amazing.
The ASI Alliance aims to be a decentralized alternative to big tech companies currently dominating AI development. This could lead to more open, accessible, and user-controlled AI advancements. By combining Ocean Protocol's privacy-preserving computations with Fetch.AI's autonomous agents, the ASI Alliance could enable secure and private development and deployment of AI solutions.
Impressive.
Future implications: decentralized ecosystems. The AI Crypto Alliance's efforts are poised to reshape decentralized ecosystems and the broader industry landscape. The combined capabilities open up new possibilities for innovative applications across various industries, including finance, healthcare, logistics, and more. The ASI Alliance's name reflects an ambitious goal: fostering the development of artificial general intelligence, AGI, a hypothetical AI that could understand and learn any intellectual task a human can.
Subscribe for more content.